like to thank my respected teacher, Mr. Ayan sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ravinda, and today I am here for expressing my views on the topic of Hindi or English language. So, English is a very immaculate or pure language because everyone likes to speak in English language. There are 22 languages in our constitution, but English and Hindi is considered to be a official language. There are many of holy books which are also translated in English language, like Bible and many more. We can make a better career with the help of English language. Like if the foreigner come to India for roaming, so we can earn a lot of money with the help of English language. If we are better in English language, so we can make a better future. Like a tourist guide can earn a lot of money with the help of English language. And if we talk about other things, so we should have respect about English language. And there are many examinations which are also held in English language. And there are many 70% countries like to speak in English language, and approx 30% countries are like to speak in Hindi languages. So English language is better than Hindi language, because in English language we can learn a new things. And in around 1 year, 4,000 words, new words are introduced to us. And with the help of English language, we can get respect in our kids and kins. And we should have appropriate knowledge about English language. And English language is better as compared to Hindi language, because we should accept English language in our country, and we should abolish Hindi language in our country. Because if we speak in Hindi language, so people think that we are uneducated and we are bogus people. But if we are speaking in English language, so people think that he is very intelligent, and we can take respect with the help of